A group to be feared, the Judgment Day.
Yeah, a ruthless, cutthroat collective.
The following contest is a fatal four-way tag team match. And it is for the Raw Tag Team Championship. Introducing first, at a combined weight of 439 pounds, Finn Balor.
The Judgment Day growing more dominant every single night, and their accolades grow with every match.
Now this is a group that's almost impossible to prepare for. The Judgment Day plans for every scenario, always having each other's back.
Well, they create chaos. Judgment Day thrives in chaos.
A new day, the power of positivity has taken over my hips, my heart, and my entire soul. Come on, guys, clap with me.
Sit down, Saxton.
I will not stop, Corey.
And their opponents, first, at a combined weight of 417 pounds, Xavier Woods and Kofi Kingston, the New Day.
You know, the only thing worse than this pancake and unicorn parade is that I know for a fact these guys are going to launch their clothes at me.
Don't be a negative Nancy, Corey. That's just part of the fun.
It's not fun, and they need to fire whoever's doing their laundry.
Oh, look out, Corey, look out.
Johnny Gargano, Tommaso Ciampa. This is DIY.
Making their way to the ring at a combined weight of 400 pounds, the Raw Tag Team Champions, Tommaso Ciampa and Johnny Gargano, DIY.
Gargano and Ciampa back together again.
It's so great seeing DIY reuniting and getting things done.
And they look focused on getting back on top. Oh, WWE Universe, it's time to get the tables.
We are about to see some hardware get broken tonight.
And their opponents, at a combined weight of 595 pounds, Bubba and Devon, the Dudley Boyz.
You never know what's going to happen with the Dudleys, except that someone's going through a table.
Yeah, we know the Dudleys have held tag titles everywhere they've gone, but they always have something up their sleeves.
Bubba and Devon truly raised the bar for brutality. Every match with them quickly turns into a brawl.
Get ready for a fight that would make Big Daddy Dudley proud.
Tornado tag with multiple teams facing off. Things are going to get frantic fast.
Whatever team comes out of this with their hand raised is going to make a strong case for being the best in WWE.
Hoisted up, whipped over in a snap suplex.
Seems like you have to be at least a little sadistic to be victorious in a no DQ match.
Oh, come on, Cole. It's not about being sadistic. It's about being smart. There's no safety net in a no disqualification match, and that's a big factor in succeeding. There's nothing sadistic about it. Clothesline! What impact! Having a weakened arm can limit you in so many ways, making it harder to execute on even simple attacks.
You go up, you have to come down. Squaring off right by our announce table.
Clear the table.
They're going to take it to the next level.
What is this superstar thinking?
They're thinking about the end, finishing this thing off by any means necessary. Counters! He went right into that turnbuckle.
That viciousness of Ciampa possibly being challenged.
Yeah, as Wood's tenacity was fueling him there.
You're gonna need your back adjusted after that one. Double leg takedown. Stop! Oh, new champ! Oh my, how in the world did he kick out of that? He clearly has no intention of staying down.
Trouble here.
Chin lock, back to his feet now, and an elbow going to create some separation.
Big forearm.
Here's the bell tie on the line. Going for a pin for the championship.
Now watch this, fellas.
You have to think this battle is starting to weigh down on him.
Set him up.
Russian leg sweep.
Right to the kidneys from behind. Powerful contact by Kingston.
Taking off from the ropes. This superstar using the rope as a cover by the champ.
And we have Gargano. Gets the shoulder up after one.
I didn't think this match was close to over.
Fairy tale ending.
Another one bites the dust to the champ. Big forearm. I think I know what's about to happen.
Just won't give up.
Staggering to Kingston is caught here.
Bubba hits the Bubba.
And a pin attempt for the championship. Broken up.
And the match continues.
He's taking this to the floor now. Shoulder tackle.
solar plexus.
The effects of this match are showing on the champ.
This is what he feeds off of. Moments like this big match feel.
Outside of the ring now.
What's the plan here? Uh-oh.
Kobe got him back.
Oh, ouch. Nasty roundhouse kick.
Delivered into the barricade. Oh, God. That'll ring your bell.
And set right into the corner.
Solely focused on... Oof!
Oh, my goodness. What a kick.
Set him up.
He's looking to finally put Bubba away.
And now it's Tommaso Ciampa.
And he stops the count. Lucky him.
And he's pulled the ring apron up, looking under there for something.
He's got a sledgehammer. Oh, man. This is not going to end well.
And that was a precisely measured attack. Just bashing them with that hammer. Oh, disturbing impact. And a well-executed move we just saw there. The challenger being outclassed here. For the championship! A defiant kick out after one.
Still has a great amount of fight in them. Not going to let it end like this.
And these attacks are spelling nothing but trouble. Inverted suplex. Brought out of ringside and back to the mat.
Beautiful swinging neck breaker.
And Priest being roughed up again.
Yeah, Priest is finding himself in grave circumstances right now.
Pile driver on its way. Spiked.
Sit out, pile driver. And he'll leave the ring for this next stretch. He returns to the ring. Pin attempt for the championship. How can that be fair?
Come on, Ref, keep these guys in check. Going to the top. They're trying to get down, but saving great.
This can't bode well. But now we see Balor.
Jeopardy here.
With the championship on the line. He put him away. He picks up the win.
Here are your winners, Bubba and Devon, the Dudley Boyz!
Two great superstars that go great together, and that win is proof.
Definitely a cause for celebration. What an impressive victory.